Pocket money. Making money on eBay. We're starting an eBay business. Well, the first thing I want to start off with is, there's people out there that if you were to meet them who, are financially successful, you would ask them, well, how do you, get rich? I want to know how to get rich. So you ask them for the information. But most people are selfish. Most people are dishonest, so they'll try to tell you that you have to work hard, invest, and this, that, and that, and tell you all this stuff that you probably already heard on how to become rich. And it's like, yeah, that's not useful. Technically, that stuff can be the process, but it's not really the process. So then you get into the idea of like, okay, from my understanding is people don't want the simple concept of becoming rich or making a lot of money or making money at all. What they want is the process. They want the step-by-step process. They want to know how to go from $1 to $1 million, literally step by step. That way they can follow it, do it, get the exact results because they followed it. Just like making cookies or something. They want the exact recipe so they can get the exact outcome that they want, which is chocolate chip cookies, for example. So when you're selling or when you're trying to make money, that's the process. One step leads to another. One thing leads to another. So when it comes to making money, like a simple thing I can tell people on how to make money in general, right? How to go from $1 to $10 is, for example, go to like a dollar store or somewhere where they have stuff on sale. So like that, you go to a dollar store, thrift store, any place where you can get stuff for cheap, for like $1, for example, and then go on eBay and try to sell it for $10. Let's say nobody buys it for $10. All right, lower it down to $5. And let's say people start buying it at $5. All right, now you know how to turn $1 into $5. And that's the first step. First step is to learn how to make money from money, right? Because it takes money to make money, as they always say. So in order to make $1 million, for example, you need to find 1 million people who's willing to give you $1, or 500,000 people they'll give you $2, or 250,000 people who'll give you $4, I think it was, something like that. You get the idea. The more you charge, so let's say you charge $10, right? If you get 1,000 people to give you $10, that's $10,000, right? If you find 10,000 people to give you $10, that should be $1 million, if I'm right. Yeah, it should be $1 million, or at least 100,000, something like that, right? You get the idea. Yeah, it should be 100,000. So it's a simple process of learning how to get one thing, like how to get $1 or $10 or $100, and then do that multiple times. So that's the first step for making a lot of money, right? You gotta make your first dollar before you make your last dollar, which would be your millionth dollar, right? Your first dollar leads you to your millionth dollar. So first learn how to get money in the first place. If you can get $100 easily, get it, hold on to it, and then use it to try to turn it into 200, 300, 1,000, 1,000,000, right? It's all about steps. One step leads to another. So the most easy and common way of making money in this world is to sell things. Give somebody something for money. It's not rocket science. So buy things for less, sell for more, right? Buy less, sell more. So these playmats that you see here have some images of some lovely anime girls, and these more likely cost like maybe $10 to $15 to print, and all it is an image that either you paid for or you made them yourself, and then you just send them to a company, a business that print these for you, and then you sell them for about $25. So that's a $15 markup. You could sell them for $20, that way it's a $10 markup, and it'll be cheaper than the ones here on eBay. So, eBay is a great way to learn business, or to learn the concept of buying and selling, right? And the cost of doing business. So I definitely use eBay a lot to sell things. And the cool thing about eBay is that you can sell used stuff, so you don't have to have anything brand new. You can find some old stuff at a flea market or thrift store or something, right? Or somebody's basement or attic, and they have stuff they don't want. You can take it off their hands and sell it. You can go on Craigslist, get a whole bunch of stuff for free that people are trying to throw away. You just go to their house, pick it up, put it on eBay, make some money, right? Real simple, right? It takes money to make money, as they say. But sometimes you can make money without money if you have stuff you can sell for money. Because the whole idea is to convert it, is to convert anything, a skill, a item, right, for money. And then you gotta find people who are willing to give you money for those services or those products, right, those items. So eBay is a great way to start, Out of my stuff, I sold some stuff recently. Let's not show that part. You can see, made a little bit of money here and there. Got some active listings of some stuff. And as you can see, there's some watchers. So some people keep an eye on some of these items because they're interested, which is important. I definitely gotta double check on this variant hat of mine. Gotta make sure that people can buy it and promote it as well, so that way I can get more sales on it. But it's costing me nothing for this hat, because all I have to do is wait for somebody to buy it, and then it'll get printed. So like I said, somebody buys it, it'll get made, and then it'll get shipped to them. So you can make money without money, but that's for a different business, print on demand. This is about if you have the item right off the bat, you can sell it. A lot of these, I mainly selling trading cards. I like card games, so it's something that I like, something that I understand, and I'm going to use my knowledge in this game or games and make some money from it. As you can see, I got a couple 15, 12, 15, 10, all the way to the top. I got an $80 card, 5 people are interested, so just a matter of time, right? All I need is one person to buy it, and instantly got some $80 in my pocket, right? And that's all it is. It's just finding things that that you can get your hands on, right? Or at least you have access to, like you can get it if you have the money for it, right? And then promote, right? Sell, find a customer, find people who are willing to give you money for the things that you're trying to sell, right? You just gotta do it a lot, right? Find as many people as possible who's willing to give you money for whatever you have to offer. And experiment, try different things, different items, offer different services, and you're making money. This is definitely one easy way to get started on making money, is just finding stuff that you can get for cheap and try to sell it for more. And there's tons of videos on YouTube besides this one that you can watch on how to find things for cheap that you can sell for more, right? Retail arbitrage, I think it's called, or something like that, right? Or item flipping. So go check it out.